Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to replace the broken front mudguard of Hero Pleasure, and you can see this mudguard is totally useless, broken out, and it's some parts, broken parts actually is inside. So we have to remove this broken part and we are going to fit the new mudguard in this one. So we'll see the complete process. So first we have to remove this upper panel. Here is the upper panel. So we have to remove this upper body panel, and after that we can assess this broken portion, and we'll remove the broken portion and we'll install the new mudguard here. So first I am going to remove these 3 screws on left side. 1, 2 and 3. Same type of screws are there on right side. So totally I am going to replace 6 screws from here. So after removing these 6 screws, this panel is loose now, and here is 7th screw and this is 8th screw. When you will remove all these 8 screws, this whole panel will become loose. And now we can take this whole panel outside, and here you can see there is connection for indicators left and right. Yes, we have to remove this one, and the whole panel came out. Keep it separately. So here I am removing 1 screw, and same type of a screw is there on right side. So it came out. Same type of a screw is there on right side. I am removing that too. And here is one last bolt, and I am removing it very carefully. Yes. So this bolt also came out. And after this we have to remove this broken portion. We have to remove it very carefully. Yeah. Yes, this side it came, and we have to remove from this side also. Yes, so the broken portion came out very easily. This whole broken portion came out, and it is very dirty. And right now I don't have water connection here, so I can't wash it, but I will recommend you, before installing new mudguard, just wash it nicely. Otherwise you may face some scratches on the new mudguard. But here I am going to install the new mudguard very safely, and the cost of new mudguard is 620 rupees. I am going to install the new mudguard very carefully. Here is the new mudguard. Yes. It is very challenging here. So the mudguard is placed nicely, and we are going to fit all the screws. It is slightly challenging to place this bolt here because we have little space here, but you have to be very careful. Don't cross thread this bolt. So this is tight and secure. Next is here. So the mudguard is completely installed, and finally we have to install this body panel. And after installing the body panel, the whole scooter will be ready. So after installing all the screws and panel, this scooter is completely ready. And I hope you like this video. And if you have similar problem in your scooter, you can solve it very easily by yourself. So please like this video, share it among your friends. Please subscribe this channel, and before going, hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload new videos, you will get the notification and you can watch it as soon as possible. And at last, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.